So when it comes to African lions, one of the most important pieces of data that we can actually collect is the individual identities of the animals, and obviously also track their life histories through time.
My name is Dr. Alexander Brachkovsky. I'm a big cat biologist and wildlife filmmaker. I've been working on big cat research and wildlife biology for the last 15 years of my life, and I've been doing photography and filmmaking for about 8 years. The lion population that my team and I work on is located in Western Uganda in a place called the Queen Elizabeth National Park. And it's really iconic because the lions have this incredible culture of climbing trees. So every day at about 7 a.m. they climb, and it can be both these big euphorbia trees, which look like cactuses, and also these very enigmatic sycamore fig trees. So a lot of our work is really centered around finding new lions. And we use the drones to not only detect new individuals, but also document their behavior and specifically their hunting sequences at night. One of the biggest challenges that we've had is, we haven't been able to follow these lions. So my team eventually resorted to using aerial photography, and we relied very much on DJI support. So that's really where the Matrix 300 and 350 have opened up a world of possibilities with the H30T, just in terms of being able to see, follow, and document the behavior of the lions at night.
So the difference between the H20T and the H30T is the resolution. We're looking at about a 4 times resolution improvement, which means that we can pull the drone away from the animals, so not disturb them during any of the hunting sequences or when we're following them. We can find other lion prides easier, especially when they lead us to new individuals. Having a night vision camera for our team to follow lions means that we can get unparalleled access to different lion prides that we would have probably missed in the daytime. The fact that we're following different coalitions of lions that'll invariably take us to new lions at night has been a real game changer for us.
So every night we work with the Uganda Wildlife Authority rangers to basically plan out our missions. We hit the field at about 4 p.m. and are set up and in the air by about 6:30 at dusk. And then we basically have to cycle batteries.
Because of the zoom function on the drone, we can actually kind of zoom in and see what they're doing. I'd say the biggest single feature of bringing drones into our workspace has been the fact that we can finally film, follow, and sequence elements of lion behavior that would not have been possible using traditional methods like either following them on foot or even in a vehicle. This camera technology is an immensely powerful tool for us to get a better handle of populations of charismatic and threatened animals on the ground, not only for research teams, but also for security teams. I think that's something that's it's almost priceless for where we find ourselves in the conservation situation in Uganda.